In this video, let's talk about how to use Android phone without a Google account. Welcome back everyone to this new video. Now there isn't a absolute necessity to use a Google account even though Android is developed by Google. So the core operating system can function entirely without you having to use a Google account as well. So what you need to do is, while first of all trying to set up, you should be able to see the option of setting up Google. Instead, what you need to do is just tap on skip and then just bypass all of the initial setup. Now once you've done that and have skipped the initial setup, in terms of downloading applications, you can use an inbuilt application. If you're using an MI phone called Get Apps, this is an inbuilt application that is available within your device. So you'd be able to head over to it and you'd be able to download any sort of applications that are available on Play Store as well. So this is the first way that you can download application. The second way is going to be to use a platform called F-Droid. You can simply open up a web browser, and this is a completely open source free Android tool or a Android application tool which lets you download all of these applications that you need. Also, what you can use is the official APK downloads. So open up a web browser of your choice and you can simply search for WhatsApp APK so that the WhatsApp APK is available so that you can straight away download it onto your device. So this is the exact way that you use your Android phone without adding a Google account. I do hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, be sure to subscribe. I'm going to see you in the next one.